Hi guys, Captain Fatty here and welcome back. In this video we're going to talk about formatting and saving the work that you've already completed. So we're going to keep this, it's pretty simple. Basically I've been using Google Drive for pretty much every single product I've released since 2014. We just create a new folder and then we work from there. Google Drive is so handy. It can be accessed from anywhere. You can download things, save them as PDFs, and then upload them to the members area. So what I recommend do is similar to what I showed you guys at the start. What I have here is, this was the product that I'm working on. Then we've got the sales copy, we've got the PDF guide, we've got the bonuses, we've got the upsell, then we've got all the legal pages as well. So in this case, what we're going to do is I'm going to create a new folder, new folder, and we're going to call it, for example, Facebook Ads Guide. And inside this, just for organization's sake, I do recommend have subfolders. So for example, legal pages, legal and sales copy. So you can have your sales page, your disclaimer, your privacy, your upsell, your video sales letter, folder upload, PDFs, which will be the front end product, the upsell and the bonus PDF. And then anything else you want. For example, inside the training, we created articles so we can have content. Now, again, you can go back to Chat GPT and just copy paste these into the blogs or the Facebook or social media. For the PDFs, I think that is the most important one that you actually create inside Google Drive. You can format the PDF, make it look like a nice document, and then you can save it. So what we'll do is we'll just create a new blank document. And we will call this a Facebook Ads Guide. Now, from here, we'll give it a title afterwards, but we just want to get content in place as fast as possible. So generally what I'll do is I will copy paste all of the content. So you've got chapter 1, chapter 1, chapter 2. Okay, excellent. Just make sure this is chapter 1. Excellent. Okay. Sometimes what I do to remove formatting, and it's a habit from actually sending emails, is I paste into Notepad file first, and then I paste into Google. So I'm just going to paste this first and see if it looks okay. Okay, you can see here, that's what happens. It's pasting in with the background and with all the formatting. So the trick here for, basically I just use this all the time. I just paste into Notepad file first, and that copy paste again, and then paste it into your file, and it will be perfect. So that is chapter 1, and again we just have to do this 8 times. So chapter 2, copy the text, paste into Notepad, and then paste back into the document. And the same again for chapter 3. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to paste this in. I don't value you guys' time and I don't want to waste it in any way. What I want to do is just show you the quick formatting, the way I come along and do this, just to make it look good. So word count will obviously remove that. Here, what I can do is you can set, for example, this is going to be header 2. Let's say we want header 2 to be bold, we want it center, and we want to make it a different color. We'll make it, for example, blue for Facebook ads in this case. Okay, and these could be header 3. And we want them bold, and we want it the same size. Let's say this is 30 and this is 11. We can make all the text bigger if we want it. So that's what I will do now. I will make all the text size 13. And what the idea here is basically We want to make that a size 18. What I want to do here is apply this header to everything. So the same formatting for all header 2. And this is the same formatting for all header 3. So now when I'm formatting the book, all I need to come along is click header 3, header 3. And it's just a quick and easy way of doing it. It should only take 20 minutes, no more, maybe 15 minutes to format each of the books. And you can see here again, just choose it. And from there, once they're formatted, all you need to do is go to File and download as PDF. Again, you can save it as a PDF. Again, download it, re-upload it to your drive so you always have it in Google Drive. And then when we move on to setting up the funnels in System.io or whatever you're using, you can basically select that PDF and upload it from there. So guys, formatting is quick and simple. It's a little bit repetitive, it's a little bit boring, but again, it's only going to take maximum to do 3 PDFs, the front-end product, the bonus upsell, the bonus and the upsell. It should only take 20 minutes each, and then you have all the content ready. So that's pretty much for this video. Any questions, let me know.